impromptu video. I don't know, मतलब quarantine में क्या ही दिखाएंगे, मतलब क्या दिन में करते हैं. So I'll take you all to the whole day, whatever I do, and yeah. So the video starts from here, which is with my breakfast. Part which he says, I don't know, I think it's at the end. Nakako, Nakako, die to the moga, need to say to the Nakako. I love that. Okay, so now it's 1 o'clock, and now what I'm going to do is write my script. मेरा पेन ही नहीं है. 1 second. Okay. So what I was telling is I'm writing my script now, and yeah, I want to tell you one thing about this Ikigai book. It's a Japanese book, and not in Japanese language, but obviously in English. But you know, Ikigai is something. It's a self-help book, and Ikigai meaning in Japanese is a reason to get out of your bed. It means that to find your purpose in life, okay? And you know, I read one incident from this book which actually hit me, which was there was one lady who had to write a novel, and she had 3 months, but every morning she woke up, she just had that in mind that she has to write the novel, she has to complete it, and she never did it. She only ended up doing household work or something like that, okay, or reading a newspaper, and then she just felt that, you know, if she had taken that pen and started out with one word, she would have gone with the flow and started writing. And I think that's what happened with me. मतलब मेरा जो पहले का वीडियो था ना, it was like वो मतलब complete ही नहीं हो रहा था. That video didn't used to get complete because मुझे पेन उठाने में भी तकलीफ होती थी. I didn't start even writing. मुझसे वो एक word भी नहीं लिखा जा सकता था because I was that lazy that time. But I think after reading this book, it's like if you start writing, even if you start with a word, you will end up going in that flow. So yeah, I think I'll do that now. I'm done, not completely, my script complete नहीं की, but at least I'm happy when I start हो गया. So yeah, now what I am doing is जब भी हमारे घर में अंडा फ्राई करने का होता है तो वो मुझे करना पड़ता है. तो now I'm going and doing that because we have to have our lunch, and it's 1:30 right now, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so we are in our kitchen, और these are the अंडे sorry. So first thing first, जब भी आप कुछ काम करते हो in kitchen, always try your hair, नहीं तो आपको खाने में बाल नहीं लगते. What I'm gonna do is अंडा बनाना एक कोई difficult recipe नहीं है, still I'll show you how to prepare it. Okay, anda is ready in this, and the 2 things which are very important for me in anda is chilies and salt. So yeah, I'll put some oil. Okay, I agree. Shape अच्छा नहीं है, I know, but second वाला अच्छा है. Okay, let's try. The second one was okay. See, yeah, it's okay. Okay, so now I'm going to go and have my lunch, and then I'll meet you all after that. So done with my lunch, and now it's 2:15, and what I'm going to do is maybe read a book or maybe watch TV, but I think I'll prefer reading a book. Okay, so this time I'm just going to utilize and showing you all what I have read till now, and yeah, I'll tell you all. Starting with the first book, well, I have read I think more than 3 or 4 books this lockdown, the whole lockdown. Starting the first book, wait, let me search now. Okay, it is Norwegian Wood by Haruki Murakami. It's a love story, a love triangle, and it's a very different book. I am not that familiar to Haruki Murakami's books, but it was suggested to me that if you want to start reading, or even I'll suggest you, if you want to start reading Haruki Murakami's book, then start with Norwegian Wood. Next is yeah, this one. She Broke Up, I Didn't by Durjoy Datta. I have more two books of Durjoy Datta. One is Oh Yes I Am Single, something like that. I had read that long ago, and I had brought this one too with that one. So I had not read it, but I read this lockdown and love story. और क्या हो सकता है उसमें? Durjoy Datta is famous for all his love stories. I mean the love stories book. But yeah, I like this book. Not that much, but yeah, it was fine. It's like he has made a Dev and Avantika series. I don't know which part is this, but it's one of them. The next book that I read is one of the best book that I read this lockdown, which is the rudest book ever. I think everyone should read this at least once, because it deals with how should we deal with the rejection, and how you shouldn't allow people to screw your life up, or that there are many concepts. There is love, how to deal with the love, and relationship is not everything, and all those sorts. So I think this book has inspired me a lot, and I have little bit changed by reading this book, and I recommend, highly recommend it to you all. At least read it once, okay? The next one is I Wish I Could Tell You by Durjoy Datta. I didn't finish this book yet. I have read somewhat 190 pages, and I'm soon going to complete this. This is completely offbeat book, like not so Durjoy Datta book. I like the story. I liked how it flows, and a complete different book by Durjoy Datta. It's not the regular one that he writes, and it's a good read. I'm gonna complete it. The next book is of course Ikigai. I have told her about this earlier, but there's so much to tell about this book that I read something about this book that whenever you want to do something creative or something, do it out of your comfort zone. That will help you a lot. But if you go for something which is very easy, okay, you can just do it like चुटकी बजाकर, so one day you will feel like bored कि अब तो ये routine सा हो गया है. But if you go with very difficult, something which is not impossible but it's very difficult, so that time you will get that anxiety, and you will be like यार नहीं, मुझे नहीं करना, अभी मैं वो छोड़ ही देती हूँ. Okay, so that also shouldn't happen. So you have to choose something between that just keeps you flowing in that work, okay, and it's not that difficult and not that easy too. So that will literally keep you out of your comfort zone, and you will indulge yourself in something very creative maybe. So I like that one thing, and so because of that I am doing something today, which is I'll shoot it maybe at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock, which is I have learned Kathak. I am not a Kathak dancer, but I am a trained Bharatanatyam dancer. So for any person who has learned classical dancing, it's not that very difficult to try some different styles of classical only. But whenever it comes to Bharatanatyam, your body should be stiff, like keeping your chest out, and it should be stiff. Your posture should be stiff, okay? And whenever it comes to Kathak, you should be just going with the flow, with the grace, and you know what I'm telling you. So I think that's the difficult part for me, because I am a trained Bharatanatyam dancer. I have learned Bharatanatyam for 6 to 7 years now, and my body has become stiff. So it was a little bit difficult for me to try the new style, but I have tried, and I'm happy that I made some use of this lockdown. And I'll shoot it now at 5 o'clock maybe, and I'll show you the BTS. Okay, before reading this, I have put it in my thumbnail that I have cut my hair, and yes, that's true. The ones that I've clipped here, I have cut fringes, because मुझे लगा कि यार सभी लोग ट्राई करें तो मैं भी क्यों ना ट्राई करूँ, because before I have never done it before, and पहले मैंने कट किया था, but वो इतना था तो it used to come on my this forehead, and वो बहुत अच्छा लगता था. But fringes I have never cut in my life, so मैंने ट्राई किया, और लॉकडाउन भी था, तो I felt like चलो यार ट्राई करते हैं, and I didn't like it, frankly speaking. So I tie it, I clip it, and I'm gonna show it to you all now. Okay, so I'll leave it. Wait. Okay, so this is it. This is how it looks. I don't know why I didn't like. Maybe because I had never tried it before. But it's okay. It's not bad to try something new. But yeah, it looks okay. But I only don't like one thing about it is यहाँ पर ना space रहता है. I don't know why. Because of what? So I have to always try to keep this in middle. So yeah, That's the only thing that I don't like. But other than that, I'll नहीं नहीं ओके ठीक है, अभी किया है तो झेलना तो पड़ेगा ही. And now I'll start reading the book and then I'll go and shoot. So done with reading. It's 3:45 right now, and I think by the time I get ready, it will be 4 o'clock. So yeah, correct time for shoot hoga. And then after that, I'll watch Netflix. I am all ready. The only problem is that I don't know what to do about these fringes now because dance करते वक्त वो आएंगी मतलब सर पे. I don't know. Okay, so I ended up with this hairstyle. I hope this fringes doesn't come out. Please don't just pop up while dancing, please. But delayed because I wanted some fresh air. तो मैं यहाँ पर open terrace में बैठी हूँ and with my Bournvita milkshake, my favorite. Because it was too hot, so मुझे कुछ ठंडा चाहिए था तो मैंने अपने लिए Bournvita milkshake बनाया. And now I'm chilling outside watching the sunset. But sun is set already, but still I love the set here.
Was drowning in his arms.
So I am watching Money Heist, and I tell you, what a web series! What a web series! I mean, I extremely loved it. I am on episode 6 of the 3rd season. I finished first 2 season, and I extremely loved it. So yeah, I'm gonna watch it now, and I'll just watch only one episode because after that I have to do my workout. Otherwise, I'll break the chain of it. So yeah, I'll have to do it anyhow. Finished watching the episode, and now what I'm gonna do is workout. It's 7:45 right now, and I think I'll work out for almost 30 minutes. So yeah, let's go. Meditation, which I never forget. I do it at least for 5 minutes or maybe less than that or maybe more than that, but I do it and yeah, now I'm going to do and end this session with the meditation and then go and have my shower. Okay, so it's 11 o'clock right now. I had my shower after my workout, then I had my dinner maybe at 10:30, and now I'm watching Welcome movie. You know, there are some movies by which you never get tired of watching. I think one of it is Welcome, the other one will be Dhamal, and Fir Hera Pheri. Yeah, so I think after watching the movie, I'll read my book because I never sleep without reading my book, and after that maybe I'll sleep. So yeah, this was it. This was a day in my life during quarantine. मतलब मैंने जो भी कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ की मैंने सभी दिखाई. एंड या थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो देन प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट दैट बेल आइकन. Please don't forget to like, please don't forget to subscribe, and please don't forget to hit that bell icon, please, because if you don't hit that bell icon, you will not get the notifications, okay? So yeah, meet you all in the next video. Yeah, well guys, so